As a user, I can connect directly to my home screen and see the jobs I have to do. Here we can see that David Long has a schedule and we have today 2 things to do. If I want to manage this job, I can either open the work order or just make my report in order to fill in the time I spend on this job. And if I finish the time, I can complete this line and I can just validate it here as well. Once it's done, I can save and close this job and it will disappear from my schedule. Other job information is available here on the work order information, depending on the status of the job, the possibility to take over a work request and to transform it directly in a work order as well. MX has 2 schedules. One technician schedules, the possibility for the technician to affect himself some jobs with drag and drop. We have a weekly, daily, and monthly view. In case a job has not been affected on the right time, I can just postpone it, and the possibility as well to define a longer time or shorter time for a job. When I make a right click, I can access directly to the work order and to the details. We have another schedule in a mix, which is the asset schedule. I have the possibility to have a weekly and monthly view of my asset schedule and as well the possibility to print out the schedule in a PDF form.